rise above the quiet world as the morning fog gently rolls through the mountain valley, soft as a whisper, calm as a dream. From high above, the mountains stand like silent guardians, their peaks slowly emerging through the mist, touching the first light of dawn. The valley below remains hidden, wrapped in a delicate blanket of silver fog, moving like slow, drifting waves. Each moment reveals a new layer of beauty, the play of shadows, the glow of sunlight breaking through, and the breathtaking stillness only nature can create. Up here, time feels suspended, the noise of the world fades away, leaving only peace, serenity, and the endless rhythm of the mountains. Let this foggy valley remind you, even in the quietest places, there is powerful, timeless beauty.